Okay. Hello, everyone. So, before we start, we are educators and a training organization. We do not sell anything or receive kickbacks from any product or service. These sessions are being recorded for our participants, and if you want a link for the session, you can request that by emailing us at help@getsetup.io, and you should receive an recording of link of the recording session soon. The chat is available. I'll be monitoring that, so you can put in any questions that you have there as well. Please make sure that you mute yourself when you're not speaking, and also try to put all your questions in the chat, so then we can reserve 10 to 15 minutes in the end of the session for the questions, so then Bhavani ma'am doesn't get interrupted constantly. Also, our mission is to create economic opportunity for older adults and help them learn tools and skills needed to stay connected and live a healthy life. We have classes across technology, health and fitness, mental wellness, singing, dancing, social arts, and a variety of guest speaker sessions. You can keep checking back and registering to any of the sessions that that pique your interest by going onto our website, which is www.getsetup.in. If you know anyone in your organization, friends and family who you think might benefit from these classes, please spread the word around. Also, if you yourself know anyone who you think, if you know any like new ideas for classes, please share that as well. We'll definitely take that on board. And ideally, at the end of the session, you should receive a feedback link, which will be emailed to you. This is what it will look like. By default, it's set at 4 stars, but you can change that as in per your liking and add any comments that you wish are necessary. And we'll definitely take all those suggestions to heart. Thank you so much. I'll pass it on to Bhavani ma'am now.
So good afternoon, all of you. Namaste and welcome to Get Set Up. How are you all? Good. Because I was just thinking, because the topic is such tips for skin care, and maximum women will be joining, and I can see most of the names. I think all the ladies have joined for this session. Though in today's time, even men are very interested to look good, to look, the fair and handsome. All the products are available now in the market. Okay. So welcome to Get Set Up, all of you. And thank you for joining me here for this session. I am Bhavani Swaminathan, nutritionist and certified diabetes educator. So today's topic is interesting, and like usually, we find that women are much more interested about their skin care, about their looks, even though men are also equally nowadays taking care of their skin. But इस मामले में women थोड़ा सा हमेशा आगे रहती है अपने आप का skin का care and to look beautiful and good and all. So those who are attending today's session, actually, I'm not able to make out, if you're regularly coming to attending my sessions, so you might be observing something different today. Can any one of you tell me that any difference you can find in me? Like those who are like Purnima ji attended my sessions very often. So can you tell me what difference you can
Where are
make
your
out?
glasses?
Ah, yes.
You're glowing.
Okay. Good.
You are glowing.
Okay. Who was that?
Padmini.
You have a wonderful skin. You
okay,
are glowing
you,
and your face looks very nice. Very fresh.
Padmini.
Okay. Padmini ji ne kaha ki I am not wearing glasses, right?
Glasses.
Glasses I'm not wearing. Any other difference?
Yeah.
Any one more difference?
Today you have done a pony. Other days it's your
yes.
hair.
Bas. Matlab the observation power is too good. Very good. Very good. Thank you so much.
Yes, your face is glowing.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Meena ji. But ये दो difference मुझे जानने थे. That means the observation power is too good. All of you are observing your guides very nicely. So these are the two things which I have not done. I am not wearing my glasses and I have tied my hair. The reason for these differences because I wanted to actually highlight my face. I wanted to show my face on the screen. I don't know whether it is clearly visible or not. But the reason why I wanted to show my face clearly was my mom She was always very much bothered about my skin when I was young. I was small during my school days because my skin was really, really bad. This is my own experience I am sharing. Okay. So whatever tips I'll be giving today, so these are all the tried and tested one, and these are, they do not have any side effect, and all these things were told by, I mean, my mom and my grandmother. They took a lot of care, and that was the reason that today at least my skin is presentable, I feel, even though not very nice or not very good, but still it was horrible when I was, I'm using the word horrible, when I was during my school days, the skin was really very bad, and my mom used to take me to a lot of dermatologists. And I mean, the issue never sorted out. It was always dry, flaky, and all. And ultimately, the doctor said that there's some problem in the liver. So if she starts taking medication for liver, so liver jaise theek hota hai, skin bhi acha hone lagega. But there was no improvement as such. And ultimately, my grandmother, when she started staying with us, she came up with a lot of home remedies, and which actually started suiting my skin. And then when I started growing, I myself made this habit of taking care of my skin. Because see, ultimately what happens is, you can, you know, buy a lot of creams, you can buy a lot of cosmetics, you can have so many things, but ultimately if you do not have that feeling, or if you do not make that habit of you know, doing the regular routine or applying it on your skin, you will not find any difference. So anything, any new thing when you are starting, make sure that it has to be a regular one. Okay, if regularly you're, and especially the natural home remedies, if you're doing it regularly, you will definitely get to see the results. Okay, so, and one more thing before I start with the tips, you know, just if those, I mean, if you are interested, I'm just taking this small katori like this. You can also keep a katori and add little bit of coconut oil, the normal parachute coconut oil, nothing fancy, nothing, you know, exotic, just this one, coconut oil. You can sit with a small amount of coconut oil with you. At the end of, I mean, later I will tell you how we can do facial at home without spending money, without emptying your pockets, your husband's pockets rather. You can get a glowing skin sitting at home. Okay. So to begin with, externally, we will be doing a lot of things. I'll be telling you, you can, you know, do all those things and you can definitely see the results. But internally also, we have to do some kind of cleaning. So one important aspect is, if the liver is functioning properly, that means your skin will not have any trouble. If there is some issue with the liver, that means you have to first take care of your liver, and then it will automatically take care of your skin. That is one thing. Secondly, what happens is, as we start aging, as we start growing older chronologically, so there are bound to be certain hormonal changes. These are very natural. We can't stop all these things. You know, aging is a very natural process. So in this process, what happens is, slowly the skin starts becoming very dry. Slowly it becomes dry, and later on it becomes very dry, and then pigmentation starts. And then we do not understand that what has to be done. We buy so many, you know, creams and all these things. We even go to dermatologists, we apply certain medicines or whatever creams he prescribes. But then this is a very natural process. But at the right time, right point of time, if you start taking care of your skin, you will find that, you know, age is, anyways, age is just a number, we say that, but that will not affect your skin. Your skin will never become dull, it will never become dry if you start taking care of it from the right time. If you have not taken care of it, from today itself you can start taking care of it. Okay, now how we can do? Number one is, when we talk about the liver, if you have to, how, if the liver is not functioning properly, that means skin appears to be very dull and dry. So we have to take some steps to keep our liver, detox the liver. which is equally important. So you need not worry that how we can do it, because earlier also I had discussed on how to detox liver. Once again, I'm repeating, it's a very simple thing which can be done for 20 to 21 days.
मैम थोड़ा हिंदी में बोलेंगे,
हाँ जी,
थोड़ा हिंदी में बोलेंगे.
अच्छा, ओके ओके, श्योर. जैसे हमारी स्किन में ग्लो लाने के लिए लिवर को डिटॉक्स करना बहुत जरूरी होता है. अब ऐसा नहीं होता है कि लिवर हमेशा ही खराब है, लेकिन कभी कभी ह्यूमन बीइंग्स है, कुछ हो जाता है तो लिवर में गड़बड़ी होती है, तो वो स्किन में अफेक्ट करने लगता है. तो हम लिवर को किस तरह से डिटॉक्स करें घर पे, अपने जो घर की जो चीजें हैं वो लेकर के. तो आपको ज्यादा नहीं, सिर्फ 20-21 दिन के लिए लिवर डिटॉक्स का जो ये शेड्यूल है वो आपको फॉर्म करना है. उसमें आप क्या कर सकते हैं, जैसे हर एक इंडिविजुअल, एवरी इंडिविजुअल इज यूनिक. अभी जैसे मैं बहुत टॉल हूँ, तो सामने वाला, अगर मेरी हाइट 5'9" है, सामने वाला अगर 5'2" है, सबकी हाइट अलग है, वेट अलग है, एज अलग है. तो हमें अपने अपने हिसाब से, अपने बॉडी के हिसाब से ये जो नेचुरल डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन है उसको करना है. तो हम कैसे करेंगे, तो ब्लैक रेजिन्स जो होता है, काला मुनक्का, वो काला मुनक्का आपको, आपका जो पाम है, आपकी जो मुट्ठी जितनी बड़ी है, उतने मुट्ठी में, आपको अपनी मुट्ठी में जितना मुनक्का आता है उतना मुनक्का आपको लेना है, और उसको आप 1 ग्लास पानी में रात को भिगो के रख देंगे. एंड मॉर्निंग जब आप उठते हैं तो ये मुनक्का पानी के साथ में इसको अच्छी तरह से आपको गर्म करना है. गर्म करने के बाद में जब ये पीने लायक वार्म हो जाएगा, तब इस पानी को पीना है और मुनक्का को चबा चबा के खाना है. ठीक है, ये अगर आप 20 से 21 दिन, अगर 20 दिन आपको बहुत ज्यादा लग रहा है, कम से कम आप 15 दिन 12 दिन अगर इसको करेंगे, तो ऑटोमेटिकली सुबह उठ के ये खाली पेट करना है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली लिवर जो है क्लेंस होने लगता है. द क्लेंजिंग प्रोसेस ऑफ लिवर स्टार्ट्स. दिस इज द बेस्ट वे टू क्लेंस योर लिवर और टू डिटॉक्स योर लिवर. नाउ 1% इफ यू आर डायबिटिक, अगर आप डायबिटिक है तो आप ये नहीं ले सकते हैं, क्योंकि आप लिवर के लिए, आप डिटॉक्स करने के लिए आप इस चीज को नहीं ले सकते. तो आपको क्या करना होगा, अनदर ऑप्शन इज त्रिफला चूर्ण. बहुत इजीली अवेलेबल होता है हर आयुर्वेदा शॉप में. तो आप त्रिफला चूर्ण थोड़ा सा, 1 छोटा चम्मच 1 छोटे ग्लास पानी में डाल के आप रात को भिगा के रख सकते हैं. मॉर्निंग उठ के एम्प्टी स्टमक में इसको पीना है. ठीक है, त्रिफला चूर्ण जो है वो आपको ब्लैक रेजिन्स की तरह टेस्टी नहीं लगेगा, बट देन ये भी एक तरह से लिवर को डिटॉक्स करता है. तो ये 2 चीजें आप डिटॉक्स करने के लिए शुरू कर सकते हैं. दूसरी बात है कि इफ आर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम इज नॉट, मतलब हमारा जो पेट अगर साफ नहीं होता है, उसकी वजह से भी स्किन क्लियर नहीं होता है. स्किन में काफी सारे प्रॉब्लम्स आपको दिखाई देने लगते हैं. तो अनदर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर stomach part also, your digestion part also, your digestive system also. Now how do you take care of that? The best thing is स्किन के रिलेटेड अगर आपको अपना पेट साफ रखना है तो एक बहुत ही आसान सा तरीका है, जस्ट टेक बाय कैरेट्स. कैरेट को अच्छे से धो के, पील करके, उसको कट करके आप उसका जूस बनाइए, फ्रेश जूस. कैरेट जूस में आधा कप अगर कैरेट जूस है तो उसमें आधा कप आप ऑरेंज जूस, फ्रेश ऑरेंज जूस मिला के उसको सुबह के वक्त पी सकते हैं, जैसे ब्रेकफास्ट करने के पहले आपने पी लिया. तो ये जो 2 चीजें मैंने जो अभी आपको बताई, वन इज टू डिटॉक्स द लिवर एंड वन इज टू मिक्स ऑरेंज जूस एंड कैरेट जूस टुगेदर एंड ड्रिंक दिस इन द मॉर्निंग. सो ये 2 जब आप करने लगेंगे, ऑटोमेटिकली आपको काफी चेंजेस अपने स्किन में थोड़े दिन में दिखाई देने लगेंगे. Okay, but then externally also we have to try something so that we get that glowing skin. Now that we have started going out, हम लोग अभी बाहर थोड़ा थोड़ा निकलने लगे, लोगों से मिलने लगे, तो कभी कुछ छोटा मोटा गेट टुगेदर हो जाता है. So get together में अच्छा लगता है ना, when we dress up and go and when the other people are complimenting us, so you are looking so pretty, you are glowing and all. अच्छा लगता है सुनने में जब कोई बोलता है. तो वो instant glow, suppose फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू नो, मैं बायस नहीं हूँ, जस्ट मुझे स्क्रीन पे मुझे सिर्फ 3 ही लोग एक्चुअली दिख रहे हैं. आई कैन सी सरिता जी, गीता जी, पूर्णिमा जी एंड कविता जी, हाँ 4 लोग मुझे खाली दिख रहे हैं मेरे स्क्रीन पे अभी। सपोज मैं ऐसा मान के चलती हूँ कि सरिता जी हैज इनवाइटेड पूर्णिमा जी, गीता जी एंड कविता जी टू देयर हाउस, घर पे इन्होंने बुलाया है, एंड एवरीवन इज एक्साइटेड टू मीट सरिता जी, क्योंकि इतने दिनों के बाद हम लोग आपस में एक दूसरे से मिलने वाले हैं। नाउ आई कैन सी पद्मिनी जी आल्सो ऑन माय स्क्रीन, ठीक है, तो पद्मिनी जी भी जाने वाली है इनको मिलने के लिए। Now, when we are meeting someone, naturally we are going to dress up nicely and go. तो जैसे ये लोग सरिता जी के घर पहुंचते हैं, तो आपस में एक दूसरे को देख के you all are giving a good compliments to each other कि you are looking up, मतलब आप slim हो गए हो, you are looking much fitter, you are looking happier, ये वो skin glow कर रही है. So when you get this type of compliment, you are really happy. तो अगर ऐसे आपको अर्जेंट कहीं जाना है किसी के घर पे एंड यू वांट टू गेट दैट क्विक अर्जेंट ग्लो ऑन योर स्किन एंड यू डू नॉट हैव टाइम और यू डू नॉट वांट टू विजिट सैलून, तो व्हाट कैन बी डन एट होम? ओके, उसके लिए एक बहुत अच्छा एक तरीका है, यू टेक सम दही फ्रेश, जो घर पे हमारे फ्रिज में तो हमेशा दही रहता है, थोड़ा सा दही लेना और थोड़ा सा ओट्स, जो नॉर्मल ओट्स हम लोग जो ब्रेकफास्ट बनाने के लिए जो लेते हैं, ओट्स को आप पाउडर कर लेना. You just mix this oats powder and dahi, not much, say 1 teaspoon of oats and 1.5 teaspoon of dahi. You make a nice paste and you apply it on your skin, your face and neck. उसको 10-12 मिनट के लिए 7-8 मिनट में वो सूखने लगेगा. And then when it becomes dry, you just wash it off with plain water. Okay, this is something which is going to give instant glow on your skin when you want to go out for your party or get together or somewhere jahan pe, and see here we are not spending any money actually, and you actually get the result also, 100% result I would say. So this is one thing to get an instant glow on your skin. Now there are
I want to ask, like, I am vegan, so I don't have curd at home. So what we can use?
If you do not use curd, then another option is, okay, okay, I'll come to that. Let us keep one option. Okay, and another option I'll tell you. If you're vegan, you said, okay, I'm coming to that. So let's who was that who asked this question, that you can't apply curd? Your name?
I'm Dipali Saxena.
Rupali, okay, Rupali ji. Okay, so fine. So another option is to get that glowing skin, almonds. Now almonds also we have at home all the time. So there are 2 ways almonds को use करने का. एक बहुत क्विक तरीका है, ज्यादा आपको झंझट नहीं करना है, बहुत मेहनत नहीं करना है. तो one thing is just take almonds, put it in a small mixer जो jar आता है उसमें, you grind it, you make a powder of it, store that powder, you keep it in an airtight container, put it in the refrigerator. 1.5 months आराम से nothing is going to happen. So you can take that almond powder, you can add anything to it. It can be milk, curd, honey, whatever you want, even a little amount of nimbu juice to it, and then you apply it on your face. That will give a glow. Now the second option is for a person who is vegan. Now chandan का वो आता है ना, what is that called, जिसपे हम लोग चंदन घिसते हैं. Okay, so you take that and you add just water या गुलाब जल to it, and just उसको 1 या 2 almonds को लेके आपको सिर्फ उसमें घिसना है. This is little tedious, but ये और ज्यादा effective है because the smooth fine paste comes out of it. वो चंदन के ऊपर जब हम घिसते हैं तो then you apply this on your face, this almond का paste on your face. This also gives that, we know that almond is rich in vitamin E, and vitamin E is very essential for skin. So this is very effective way. Just I have kept something to show this to all of you. This is a normal vitamin E tablet, Evion 400. This is very commonly available. Okay, so this is rather than taking this capsule, the best thing is you just take one capsule, you break it, the liquid which is there inside the capsule, it comes out. You can directly apply on your skin. This is a very effective way to get that glowing skin. Because see, what happens is, as I was saying, when we
Excuse
start,
me, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am, this vitamin E capsules, when we open, the oil inside is very thick. So do we need to mix something in it?
no,
Before
there's no
applying?
need to mix, no need to mix anything. That is required. अपना face इतना तो है, वो पूरा उसमें लग जाता है. Nothing, there's no need to
पर
mix
ये बड़ा
anything.
ही थिक होता है, स्टिक कर जाता है एक ही जगह पर, आगे बढ़ता ही नहीं है.
नहीं, no, nothing like that. It won't happen. If the, I mean, I have never experienced this. तो आराम से mix हो जाता है. And
नहीं, मिक्स
yeah.
किसमें करना है?
Yeah, no, I would suggest that I'll just finish like the everyday what we are doing. At the end, you ask questions and put it on the chat box so that it will be easier. Okay. So this is another option which I said. You can just take this vitamin E pill, Evion 400, and you can use this on your skin. Another thing is, like this, again, I kept it since I use all these things I have with me. This is a very effective thing, which is Ayurvedic oil. This is very famous. It is called as Kumkumadi Tailam, is very famous. If you Google search, Ayurveda plays a very important role, as we all know, with when we talk about health and skin and all. So this oil specifically is going to help you to reduce those wrinkles and जो excessive dryness जो होता है skin में, उसको दूर करने के लिए ये बहुत effective है. So this also you can try. And as I was telling you, I just discussed about my childhood days, like how my skin was very bad and how my mother and my grandmother, they were always after me and they took a lot of care. So उसमें बचपन में मुझे जो मेरी नानी से मैंने सीखा था, वो आज भी आई एम स्टिल कंटिन्यूइंग दैट. इतने सालों में एक भी दिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि बहुत रेयरली कि कभी मिस हुआ है. अदरवाइज आई डू दिस एवरी डे एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट यू ऑल आल्सो, यू कैन ट्राई दिस. आपको नेगेटिव तो कुछ होगा नहीं, पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट जरूर देखने को मिलेगा. मसूर दाल, एवरीबडी हैज एट होम मसूर दाल, ठीक है, पिंक वाला दाल. वो मसूर दाल को आप चक्की में दोगे ना, because see, besan is something we all know for the skin, but masoor dal is something hardly कोई किसी ने use किया होगा. इस तरह से ना, maybe color you will not be able to see on the screen. ये मसूर दाल का powder है, थोड़ा pinkish लगता है. Now this I always keep at my home. Okay, this is the only thing that has saved me all through my life from my childhood days, because I could never use soap. Honestly speaking, soap never मेरे स्किन पे कभी सूट नहीं हुआ. बचपन से एक वो था कि ओनली फॉर वॉशिंग हैंड्स एंड वॉशिंग फीट टू रिमूव द डर्ट आई यूज सोप. अदरवाइज फॉर कंप्लीटली द बॉडी जो उपटन बोलते हैं ना, आई यूज दिस ओनली. सो मसूर दाल पाउडर में यू कैन ऐड मिक्स एनीथिंग टू इट, दही, दूध, हल्दी, व्हाटएवर यू वांट. कुछ नहीं मिला तो जस्ट वाटर. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस इज व्हेन वी यूज बेसन जब हम स्किन पे लगाते हैं तो उससे थोड़ी ड्राइनेस होती है, लेकिन मसूर दाल से आप बिल्कुल भी ड्राइनेस नहीं फील करेंगे. सो मसूर दाल का पाउडर यू गिव इट, द चक्की वाला विल मेक द पाउडर फॉर यू. अगर बहुत ज्यादा क्वांटिटी इफ यू फील वेस्ट होगा, घर पे छोटे से मिक्सर में आप बना के रख सकते हैं, वो भी दैट आल्सो यू कैन डू. सो दिस इज
with the skin or without the skin, ma'am?
Pardon?
With the skin of masoor dal or without the skin?
नहीं, पिंक वाला जो रहता है, नॉर्मल मसूर दाल, नॉट स्किन वाला, पिंक वाला. या ओके. सो
Without skin.
this can be done, which is very effective. Moving on to the next tip, and this is a tip where I think long back I had discussed this. इस पे बहुत सारा controversy भी हुआ था. So our participants, regular participants जो बहुत पहले से attend करते आ रहे हैं मेरे session, like गीता जी, सरिता जी, पूर्णिमा जी and बीना जी. I'm sorry, I can't see anyone else on my screen. I don't know. इन लोगों को शायद याद भी होगा. I had discussed once कि when your skin is wet, when you wash your face, when your skin is still moist, जब हम लोग की आदत क्या होती है, I don't have my towel with me. हम लोग एकदम जोर से पोंछ के अपने आप को ड्राई करते हैं, ठीक है. So rather than doing that, थोड़े टाइम के लिए अगर आप ऐसे ही पानी छोड़ देंगे तो थोड़ा मॉइस्ट जब स्किन रहेगा, उसके ऊपर यू अप्लाई एनीथिंग. you apply the regular cream which you are applying, whatever cream you are using, you apply. If you want to use oil, any type of oil, it can be all right from coconut oil to sesame oil to olive oil, any oil, you start applying on your skin when the skin is moist. Okay, you will automatically see that the dryness will 100% vanish away. Okay, another thing is ghee. Ghee to खाने में we know it has to be included, it is good, ये वो, all the science behind ghee we know, but directly if you apply it on your skin, because people used to say इतना messy लगेगा घी लगाने से, but if you really have very very dry skin, बहुत ज्यादा अगर skin dry है आपकी, तो थोड़ा सा घी लगा के मसाज करके आप छोड़ देंगे तो वो अपने आप एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है स्किन में, एंड एक्चुअली यू विल फाइंड द डिफरेंस, वो ड्राइनेस धीरे धीरे कम हो जाती है. So these are, we are not going to buy something special, जाके बहुत पैसे खर्च करके कुछ खरीद के करना नहीं है. जो भी अपने यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है घर के अंदर किचन में, उसी को लेके हमें यूज करना है. ठीक है.
मसूर दाल में क्या मिक्स करना है?
मसूर दाल पाउडर में यू कैन मिक्स एनीथिंग, इट्स योर चॉइस. एक दिन आप दही डालिए, एक दिन दूध डालिए, एक दिन हनी डालिए, एक दिन पानी डालिए, एक दिन गुलाब जल डालिए, कुछ भी आप डाल सकते हो उसमें, एनीथिंग. या ओके, सो दिस इज
मसूर दाल अप्लाई करना है पाउडर की मसाज करना है?
नहीं नहीं, आपको जस्ट हम लोग जैसे नॉर्मल आपने चेहरे पे 1-2 सेकेंड के लिए मसाज किया, इमीडिएटली वॉश कर दिया, ये एक तरीका है. अगर आपको लग रहा है चेहरे पे कभी कभी झुर्रियां दिखने लगती है तो स्किन टाइटनिंग, we have to do something for skin tightening, right? So मसूर दाल को आप लगा के अगर छोड़ देते हैं पैक 10-12 मिनट के लिए, वो एकदम टाइट हो जाता है, ड्राई हो जाता है, then you wash it off. So this will work as skin tightening also. Okay.
Can we
So
apply masoor dal daily? Ma'am, can we apply masoor dal daily?
Every day, right from when I was 9 or 10 years से लेकर के आज दिन तक, every day I have used, and that's excellent. कोई भी साल के पूरे 12 महीने 365 days I use masoor dal for my skin because that's the only thing that suits me. इसके अलावा मुझे कुछ सूट नहीं करता. या all these almonds and all done, वो होता है once in a while, but masoor dal every day you can use. Okay. Now another thing is which was equally important, which I missed in the beginning when I was talking about the liver detox and cleansing of our digestive system. एक और चीज है स्किन को ग्लो लाने में, 2 important चीजें. अंदर से तो हम लोग उसको अच्छा खाना प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, जैसे आपने वो ब्लैक किशमिश ले लिया, मुनक्का ले लिया, आपने त्रिफला ले लिया, आपने जूस ले लिया ऑरेंज एंड कैरेट का. उसके अलावा आंवला is very equally important. If अगर सुबह उठ के आप आंवला का जूस या फिर आंवला कुछ खाते हैं, so that will जो विटामिन सी की जो अपने बॉडी में जो रिक्वायरमेंट है वो ज्यादा होगी, which will help again to give that glow on your skin. And another very important thing is कि if you are happy from inside, your skin is going to glow. नहीं तो externally you will apply lot of things and you will come back and tell me that you told me to apply masoor dal, almonds, this, that and all, but still I didn't get the glow on my skin. So to some extent, we have to go to from the gross to the subtle level also, that if you are happy from inside, automatically that will reflect on your face. So हमेशा याद रखिए कि अंदर से बहुत खुश रहना है हमें, तो ऑटोमेटिकली चेहरे पे ग्लो दिखेगा. Okay, so that's equally important. So moving on to again the tips.
मैम आलमंड में क्या मिक्स करना है? आलमंड में क्या मिक्स करना है मैम? पाउडर में
आलमंड अगर आप पाउडर बना लेते हैं तो उसमें भी आप इसी तरह से ये बेसिक जो पाउडर्स है, बेसन हो या मसूर दाल हो या आलमंड हो, उसमें आप कोई भी चीज, वो दूध, दही, हनी, पानी, गुलाब जल, कुछ भी डाल के मिक्स कर सकते हैं. Anything you can add to it. ठीक है. Okay. And another जैसे yeah. And some people they experience this कि skin जो बहुत flaky लगने लगती है, like pigmentation start होता है दिखना. Pigmentation in the sense कि ऐसे patches डार्क पैचेस चेहरे पे दिखने लगते हैं. Now, why this happens? The pigmentation is because जब ड्राइनेस स्टार्ट होता है स्किन में और हम लोग उसको ध्यान नहीं देते, वो ड्राइनेस जब बढ़ते जाता है तो पैची और फ्लेकी होने लगता है. ओके, फॉर दिस what we can do is, the best thing is honey. Honey, you take honey, और हनी थिक होता है तो उसको जब अप्लाई हम करते हैं तो वो चिपकने लगता है बहुत ज्यादा. इफ यू नोटिस, अगर आप हनी डायरेक्ट लगाएंगे बहुत ज्यादा चिपकता है. यू हैव टू एक्चुअली स्ट्रगल टू मसाज दैट हनी ऑन योर फेस. तो उसमें आप एक काम कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा सा 1 टीस्पून आपने हनी लिया तो जस्ट एड फ्यू ड्रॉप्स ऑफ लेमन जूस टू इट, और वो थोड़ा सा डाइल्यूट हो जाएगा. फिर उसको यू स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग ऑन योर फेस, अपने स्किन पे लगाना शुरू करना, एंड यू लीव इट फॉर 10-15 मिनट्स. बहुत चिपचिप करता है, अंडरस्टैंड, बट इफ यू रियली सफर फ्रॉम दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम की पिगमेंटेशन है, बहुत ज्यादा पैच जैसा चेहरे पे दिख रहा है, तो ये हनी बहुत इफेक्टिव होता है. अप्लाई इट एंड देन वॉश इट ऑफ. ना अभी समर आ रहा है, गर्मी बहुत ज्यादा तेज होने लगी है. ऑलवेज कीप आइस क्यूब्स इन योर रेफ्रिजरेटर. और मैं ऐसे लोगों में से हूँ जो हमेशा अगेंस्ट में बोलती हूँ कि यू शुड नॉट टेक एनी ठंडा थिंग बिकॉज द कोल्ड थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू अफेक्ट योर हेल्थ. बट देन व्हेन इट कम्स टू स्किन, इफ यू अप्लाई आइस क्यूब्स, हाउ वी हैव टू अप्लाई, जैसे आपने एक पतला सा लाइक हल्का सा हैंकरचिफ लिया, उसमें यू पुट 1 आइस क्यूब, उसको अच्छे से कवर कर लिया हैंकी से, एंड देन जब वो थोड़ा गीला होने लगेगा हैंकी, तो देन स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग इट ऑन योर फेस. तो उससे क्या होगा, जो ब्लड सर्कुलेशन है फेस का वो बहुत अच्छा होगा, और गर्मी में योर स्किन विल लुक वेरी फ्रेश. सो दैट्स अनदर वे वेयरइन यू कैन अप्लाई इट ऑन योर स्किन. ठीक है. एंड नाउ moving on to the next part, as I was saying, you need not go for expensive salon treatment for skin, for facial and all. There are certain things which can be done at home, and regularly if you do, automatically you will feel the difference. So are you ready to do a 5-minute facial with me? Thumbs up. Yes. Okay. So can you just have a little bit of coconut oil? आप अपने छोटे से कटोरी में अगर लाके रख सकते हैं तो. I am just adding in front of you only. बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा मैं डाल रही हूँ, थोड़ा और. Okay. Okay. Now what you have to do is, अगर आप इसीलिए मैंने चश्मा आज पहना ही नहीं, झंझट ही नहीं चाहिए वो लगा के रिमूव करना. So what you have to do is, with this ring finger, आप रिंग फिंगर को ऑयल, दोनों रिंग फिंगर को you dip it in the oil का जो बोल है उसमें. First step will be, we will start with the forehead. आपका ये जो forehead है, तो ये your thumb, you keep your thumb like this near your eyebrows, and then आप इस तरह से like this, up down, like this 10 times we have to do. ठीक है. This is the first step. Okay. Coconut oil you have to up, or this will be very effective when your skin is little moist. तो face को एक बार पानी से धो के वो जब थोड़ा गीला गीला रहेगा, that time you start doing this. So first step we have done this. Again we are going to dip our fingers on this oil का bowl. Second will be crow's feet. जब स्माइल हम देते हैं तो यहाँ पे लाइंस दिखने लगता है. इसको भगाने के लिए what we have to do is, I am keeping my thumb here, अपने ये जॉ लाइन के पास में, and then you just apply, massage like this circular way में, आराम से 10 times clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise, like this. Okay. Okay. Now this middle finger and ring finger, both we are going to dip it in the oil. फिर थोड़ा सा ये oil we will rub it on our thumb also. उसके बाद ये जो हमारा eyebrow है, उस eyebrow को just अब मैं I am closing my eyes and showing it to you. इस तरह से you just massage your eyebrows 6 to 7 times. So when we are massaging all these areas, automatically जितने nerves हमारे अंदर है वो soothe हो रहे हैं. We are doing massage as well as वो एक rest भी मिल रहा है अंदर से. Okay. Now the next will be कि अभी स्मॉल फिंगर छोड़ के बाकी तीनों फिंगर्स और थंब को मैंने ऑयल लगा लिया इस तरह से. नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज लाइक दिस. ये जो हमारा जॉ लाइन है इससे चीक के ऊपर ऐसे हम लोग इसको ऊपर ऊपर करेंगे लाइक दिस आराम से. नाउ यू आर वाचिंग मी व्हेन यू आर डूइंग अलोन. आप जस्ट यू कैन क्लोज योर आईज and एकदम आराम से ऊपर 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 you can do this. So all these steps at least 8 to 10 times you have to repeat. This done, उसके बाद में again dip your fingers in the oil. अब सारे all 10 fingers are oily now. ठीक है. अब इसमें what we are going to do is like when we go near a kid, छोटा बच्चा होता है तो उसको ऐसे ऐसे हम लोग करते हैं. Same way we have to do like this. अपने खुद के गाल को ऐसे ऐसे खींचना है like this. This can be done little fast so that blood circulation बहुत अच्छे से होगा इसमें. Now, just joking, don't take it very seriously. Think that you are really angry with your husband, but you cannot hit him. तो चलो खुद को ही मारते हैं. So like this. Okay. This. इससे भी blood circulation बहुत अच्छा होता है. So after this, again, we have to do this. Now this part, यहाँ पे थोड़ा थोड़ा skin जब sag होने लगता है, तो उसको firmly we have to do like this. With these two fingers, अपना thumb and index finger लेकर के इसको थोड़ा सा ऊपर की तरफ 7 to 8 times you have to do. Now the last one is just आंखों के ऊपर you have to keep your fingers close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open. Now पूरे चेहरे पे oil, those who are doing आपको oil लग रहा है पूरे face पे, है ना? So just at the end पूरा इस तरह से आप गले में, मुंह में उसको equally आप spread कर दो. Done. Now this oily pitch लग रहा है. Everyone is observing this, experiencing this pitch, right? Now do not wash it away immediately. Let it be for some time, because the skin is going to absorb this oil, and that's how you are going to get the glow. So once this is done, this I just told you to use coconut oil, but if your skin is very dry, you can do it with ghee. Ghee is much more effective. So once this is done, you leave for 10 minutes. On top of this, then you apply the face pack. It can be any face pack. It can be masoor dal, it can be almond, it can be besan, or it can be just a simple dahi, or it can be just a honey with lemon, anything. You apply it, leave it for 10 minutes, and then wash it off with water. And then, yes, Sarita ji, you are saying something?
Exercise for
Oh,
this.
exercise. Okay, fine. Yeah. So Sarita ji remembers this.
Because I do it daily. I do it daily. And I'm using masoor dal.
Okay. So thank you for reminding me. I had forgotten to show the exercise. We'll do some facial exercise also to get that glowing skin. First one is, आपको blow करना है air from one side to the other. So 10 times. उसके बाद में second is, you have to hold it for a while. हर एक side में आपको थोड़े time के लिए 5 count you have to hold. Like right side 5 count, left side 5 count, up, down ऐसे, like this. Okay, this is second one. Now the third one is, this is actually it's like you are blowing kiss to the ceiling. So you have to hold your collarbone like this, like this. So ये यहाँ से जब झुर्रियां आने लगती है, ये इसमें टाइट होने लगता है skin. So 10 times this one. Another one is this jawline. Jawline भी, if you want a very well-defined jawline, उस तरह से चाहिए तो tongue. One side, this is, you're holding your tongue like this. You're putting it on the other side. Hold it for 10 count and then go back to the next side. Okay. Another thing is we experience यहाँ से झुर्री आने लगती है, like चेहरा ऐसे अजीब सा लगने लगता है. For that, what we have to do is you have to take a deep breath. उसके बाद करके blow करना है air. How? See, I am showing you. मतलब ऊपर की तरफ you have to blow air. Yes, yes, this like this. And another one, the last one is like you have to look at the ceiling and just hold it for 10 count like this. First, slowly come down, then turn towards your right, hold for 10 count, turn towards your left, hold for 10 count. So ये बहुत काम आता है, इन सारे जो हमारी ये जो जॉ लाइन है इसको टाइटन करने के बहुत काम आता है. Okay, and last is because we are nowadays watching too much, you know, on our laptop we are sitting and phones we are using. आंखों को बहुत strain होता है and eyes are equally important. तो उसके लिए the last thing which you can do is just hold your eyes tightly. This you can do 3-4 times a day. Jitna tight you hold it and then open, wide open like this. Jitna bada ho sakta hai आंख ऐसे. फिर और एक बार tight. Then again wide open. Jitna wide ho sakta hai. Then after that, thoda sa is tarah se you massage your eyes. That's it. So this complete exercise and the massage will take not more than 7 to 10 minutes. That's it. So is it very difficult to do? Everybody can do it at home, right? बहुत आसान था ना? Yes, Sarita ji.
Yes, yes. But if there is too much, like now I'm having too much of wrinkle because I reduced a lot. So like, you know, I can make out, how should I tighten it?
Tighten this, you have to do these exercises, especially the this one. One is you have to hold for a while. This you are saying, na, this area.
Yeah, this part, yeah.
Yeah. So this is one thing which can be done on the sides, both the sides. And secondly is you apply a lot of oil in the upward direction.
Okay.
That is another way which can be done. Okay.
Kumkumadi oil, do we need to mix anything?
No, nothing.
Okay, and you know, my daughter has a very dry skin, but when she applies any oily stuff, she gets pimples.
Yeah.
So what?
So, but then these oil, no, you have to apply like that only. Or maybe another thing is she can try with, I don't know, any oil you are saying. Maybe the skin is very sensitive, but otherwise it should not happen. So, or let her, you ask her to use curd. In that case, curd or malai, milk ka malai, something like that. Yeah.
Bhavani.
Okay.
Yeah.
When you say carrot, like what carrot? Orange carrot or red carrot?
Any carrot. Now red is available. You can use red. Yeah.
And can you show that oil once again? The oil which you.
This is the oil.
And for tanning skin.
Can I show? Can you see this thing? The name I'm not able to see.
Kumkumadi Tailam. This is a
Kumkumadi Tailam. Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I asked the questions in the chat window. Questions are in the chat window.
I'll just
for tanning skin.
Bhavani, I just wanted to add something. Yeah, I'm here.
So Ishita, please ask before you leave. Are you leaving now?
Yeah, I can stay for 5 minutes. We'll just take Neeta
Okay,
ma'am's
so till
question.
5 minutes, if you
and-
can ask the questions.
Yeah.
I think there are a lot of
I'm
questions.
sorry, can
on the
I
chat.
hurry up
For
because I
tanning
have an
skin.
online class.
Hello,
Yeah.
Bhavani. For tanning skin, tanning.
Okay,
Bhavani,
skin tanning. Okay, I'll come.
Bhavani,
Yeah.
let me ask because I have an online class. I have to rush. I'm just adding two things which worked very well for me because I have a very sensitive skin. I apply oil either before a bath or after a bath on wet skin. That works wonders. And yogurt. That is the third thing. So you already mentioned. So if on
Yes.
wet skin you apply oil, it does wonders. My mother was 75 when she went. I inherited this from her. जब हम नहा के आते हैं ना, so your hands, your neck and your face apply coconut oil. That is all seasons.
Yeah.
All right, or whatever you are suggesting.
Yeah.
So I'm so sorry. I kind of because I just have an online lecture, so I want. But
Yeah, no issues. No, that's what even I said in the beginning itself. You know, that if your skin is moist, that works
the skin
wonders.
is moist. Yeah, that
Yes,
does
yes,
not irritate a sensitive skin.
Yes.
Thank you, Bhavani. I'm going to ask
Okay,
for a
thank
recording because I have a lecture, so I have to rush.
Yeah,
Thank
no
you.
issues.
Thank you.
Ma'am, can I ask
Bhavani ji,
two questions?
Bhavani ji, I have one question. मेरा जो पैर का हील है उसको क्रैक्स बहुत आते हैं, ऐसे क्रैक्स आते हैं, तो मैं कुछ भी क्रीम लगाती हूँ तो टेम्पररी ऑयली लगता है और क्रीमी लगता है, वापस जब धोएंगे हाथ पैर तो वो पैर में ऐसे मतलब क्रैक्स दिखते हैं.
See, for this, the only thing which can be done is आप जितना कम पानी में रहेंगे उतना ज्यादा वो जल्दी ठीक होगा. सेकेंडली, एक बार जब नहा के आ जाते हैं उसके बाद में आपको पैर में वैसलीन या कुछ इस तरह का थिक क्रीम आप लगा के आपको पूरा टाइम सॉक्स पहने रहना पड़ेगा. सॉक्स और चप्पल, और पानी बिल्कुल नहीं लगने देना. यही एक ऑप्शन है, क्योंकि जितना ज्यादा पानी लगेगा और जितना खुला रहेगा वो उतना ज्यादा क्रैक बढ़ता रहता है.
खैर पानी में तो पैर नहीं लगता है except taking bath. It is never a habit of putting my legs in the water.
Maybe dry skin.
Ma'am,
You see, there are dermatological conditions also associated to it. If it is just a general crack, that happens because if you are making your foot wet all the time, keeping it wet all the time. So if you are not putting your foot always on water, that means you need to go for some dermatological test only, because generally और वो भी specifically ऐसे वाले सीजन में इतना नहीं होता है क्रैक.
नहीं होना चाहिए. करेक्ट.
Ma'am, can I ask?
Let's a lot of people have put questions on the comment section.
Ma'am, I have one question.
Questions.
That I missed your bloating session, that stomach bloating session. So where I'll get the recording?
That is that you have to put a request mail. Then you might get the recording. So Ishita had shared the email ID.
Can I ask a question, Bhavani ji?
Bhavani,
can I ask a question, please?
What is to be done for tanning?
One second. I'll just mute everyone. Then it becomes very difficult for me to handle that, as Ishita is not there right now. I think she has left. So I'll just, Geeta ji, I'm coming to your question. But before that, I would just quickly take up the questions which are there on the chat. So if, can you give the name of Ayurveda oil, please? This is Kumkumadi Tailam, it is called as, or Kumkumadi oil. So if I'm having ash gourd juice in the morning, can I still have Munakka water? No, it has to be anything one. Like both you cannot have together. How to make shiny face skin? So if you really want to get that very glowing skin, shiny skin, that means on the moist skin, you start applying oil or cream, whatever. Automatically in some days you will find that the skin starts glowing a lot. And when to apply Kumkumadi oil on the face to keep it, how long to keep it? So this is, you can just apply it, and anyways if you're not going out of the house, so it can be there for 1 or 2 hours, nothing is going to harm. So you can keep it as long as you want. And if we do liver detox through munakka after chewing munakka, how much gap do we give for food and munakka? At least 1 hour gap has to be given. And in masoor dal, what to add? I said milk, honey, water, or anything you can add. Whenever I have to party, pimple pops up. Okay, that means, I mean, okay, if you're applying too much of cosmetics, maybe, I don't know. Then the next question is, okay, fall in love, ultimate glow. That's superb. Nayantara ji, great. Okay. Okay, dry and dead skin, yeah, skin, yeah. This, okay. Now pigmentation problem, and which Geeta ji is asking about the tanning part. Quickly, I'll talk on these two because we have got just 5 minutes. So pigmentation ke liye, pigmentation, as I said, because of excessive dryness, it happens. So agar, from now itself, if you start doing this, just din mein 2 baar, like, you know, after taking bath, or if you feel after taking bath बहुत पिच पिच सा लगता है, तो morning before taking bath, just wet moist your skin को. अगर आपको ऐसे ही moist नहीं हो रहा है, तो spray आता है ना bottle में पानी, आप खाली थोड़ा सा spray मुंह में चेहरे पे करके you apply ghee. Best thing is ghee, बहुत thick होता है ghee. Or if you can find white butter, because white butter is not easily available, but if you have nearby South Indian store, so South Indian stores, they keep pure white butter. White butter is थोड़ा मिलने में मुश्किल होता है. White butter excessive उसमें fat होता है. That will help you to get rid of excessive dryness and pigmentation. तो face थोड़ा moist करके आप वो butter अगर लगा लेंगे, थोड़े time के लिए रखेंगे, say half an hour, 45 minutes, and then you take bath. Another thing is, when you're taking bath, if you have this pigmentation problem, excessive dry skin problem, so do not use soap and face wash and all. जितना आप ये use करोगे, इतने अच्छे से butter लगा के, घी लगा के, फिर से वो dry हो जाएगा. So make sure that you go for these things like almonds or masoor dal powder or something. You just एक चेहरे को एक बार scrub face से अच्छे से धो लिया उसको, फिर आपने छोड़ दिया. That is one thing. Secondly, for this Geeta ji, your question was on I'm forgetting the word. Tanning. Yeah. So tanning के लिए सबसे सही और सबसे आसान और best उपाय होता है नींबू. Like when you just squeeze nimbu juice, add it to little dahi, you apply it on your face. 10 minutes के बाद में, 15 minutes के बाद में, you wash it off. This is the best way to remove tanning. तो ये this is a very good. See, you might be seeing a mark on my nose here. If you can see, this is a recent development. It was not earlier. So this is because of my foolishness this happened. So I have started learning aerial yoga. So I was doing inversion, upside down. So directly from up, I fell down like this, and this got hurt. So there was quite a big injury over there, and now there's a scar. Now this is something which has to, I can't, so I'm just trying to use all these natural things only, because in the past also a lot of things had happened like this. I had a lot of scars. So with these natural remedies only, but it takes time, but वो धीरे-धीरे कम हो गया है. Okay. So yeah.
Coconut oil massage is to be done at what frequency?
Question, please. Bhavani ji, I want to tighten my upper lip, this skin. I've got a lot of wrinkles here. Please suggest something.
So the exercises which I showed just now, the facial exercises. So if you start doing that, that also helps.
Okay.
Ma'am, coconut oil massage is to be done at what frequency?
Coconut every day you can do.
Ma'am, dark circles के लिए?
Huh?
Dark circles.
Dark
around
आँखों के नीचे dark circles के लिए.
जी जी.
So for that, जो cucumber होता है ककड़ी, you just make a paste out of it. No need to add water. Just take 1 cucumber, put it in your mixer. पेस्ट बन जाएगा. वो 3 दिन के लिए पेस्ट फ्रिज में रहता है, खराब नहीं होता है. सो जस्ट टेक इट व्हेन आफ्टरनून, अगर आप नैप ले रहे हैं या रात को सोने के पहले 2 कॉटन बॉल्स में उसको आप डिप कर लेना और आंखों के ऊपर रख लेना. तो वैसे ही 10-15 मिनट में नींद आ जाती है, फिर वो सूख के गिर जाता है. बट दिस इज अ वेरी इफेक्टिव वे टू रिमूव. और आप आमंड्स भी लगाते हैं तो उससे भी फायदा होता है.
Okay.
जब मैम चीन पे बाल आते हैं थोड़े थोड़े आफ्टर सर्टेन एज, उसके लिए कुछ रेमेडी है?
No, 2-3 people are asking questions together. Yeah.
puffy eyes. हेलो,
Puffy eyes के लिए भी ये आप यही कर सकते हैं, ककड़ी का पेस्ट लगा के. Okay.
हेलो,
Any remedy for
अगर
psoriasis?
2-3 बाल आ गए तो उसके लिए वो कॉन्स्टेंटली आते रहते हैं, उसके लिए कुछ रेमेडी है?
आप पे
चिन पे, फेस चिन पे.
Skin पे, yeah. Now because of hormonal changes, these things happen. So naturally, if you try to look for these remedies, तो ये बहुत patience चाहिए होता है. But which one thing you can try is जो हल्दी, कच्चा हल्दी आता है, तो वो कच्चे हल्दी को अगर आप घिस के लगाते हैं तो पर उसको टाइम बहुत लगेगा. Immediately you will not be able to get the result.
Okay.
भवानी जी, have a very dark nose. उसका क्या कर सकते हैं?
The dark nose is because of blackheads, we are saying then.
No, but the color is dark.
No, see, this very specific. If you have, now I can't say why this dark nose is. It might be some medical condition also. But generally, अगर आप ये जो चीजें मैंने अभी आपको बताई, ये अगर आप ट्राई करेंगे तो आपको डिफरेंस पता चलेगा उसमें धीरे धीरे. But the thing is, biggest thing you have to do. Yeah, Padmini ji. Last
May I
question.
say something?
Yeah.
Padmini.
Yeah, Padmini ji. Yeah.
I think, ma'am, one thing you can say, you must be hydrated. Drink a lot of water, ma'am.
That's I mean, because every session I talk about food and water only, so I thought of not talking. This is the thing. Yeah, that's important, equally important to keep yourself hydrated and to keep yourself happy. Yes.
Any remedy for psoriasis? Any remedy for psoriasis?
Psoriasis, we can't discuss on this here because it's a totally different topic and we are just sharing general tips. So we need to take some other class for psoriasis, complete session on psoriasis.
Ma'am, I have given a feedback and I have written few topics to cover. I mean, I have given a feedback.
Okay. Thank you. And thank you all for joining. See you tomorrow at 3 p.m. The topic is diet care of elderly. So we'll discuss what all diet we can plan after a certain age to keep ourselves healthy and happy. Thank you all for joining.
Thank you, ma'am.
And please give your feedback. And
Now
also,
all your sessions. Bye.
Thank you.
Ma'am, just one question, ma'am. Ma'am, so liver detox, after how much gap should we repeat the liver detox?
तो 3 महीने के बाद अगर आपने 21 दिन कंटिन्यूअस किया तो 3 महीने का गैप देके फिर आप 21 दिन कर सकते हैं.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you all of you. Bye. Bye.
Namaskar.
Miss your Ganesh ji idol. Miss your Ganesh ji idol.
Okay. No, I didn't. Today my husband is working from home, so he's sitting there. I couldn't sit.
Okay.
So maybe tomorrow I'll take class from there.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
Bye.
See you tomorrow at 3 p.m. Bye. Yeah.
Bye, ma'am.